In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waterfall chart in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is ready. A waterfall chart works best when you want to show how a value changes over time or across a series of increases and decreases. It's especially useful for things like budgets, profit changes, or tracking how you move from a starting balance to an ending balance. Before creating the chart, take a quick moment to confirm that your categories and values are clearly arranged in your worksheet, because that will make the chart much easier to build and read. Once your file is open, highlight the full data set you want to use for the chart. Be sure to include both the labels and the values, since Excel needs both pieces to create the visual correctly. After selecting the data, go up to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps all of its chart tools. Inside the Insert tab, look for the option called Insert Waterfall or Stock Chart. Click that drop down and then choose Waterfall. As soon as you do that, Excel will generate a waterfall chart based on the data you selected. At this stage, the chart may already look close to what you need, but there is one important adjustment you should make so the chart displays correctly. Next, set your totals. This step is very important because Excel may automatically treat every value in the chart as either an increase or a decrease. If that happens, your starting balance and ending balance will not appear as fixed columns, which can make the chart misleading. To fix that, double-click the starting balance column in the chart. When you do, a formatting panel will open on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the checkbox labeled Set as Total and turn it on. This tells Excel that the starting value should be anchored as a total rather than treated like a gain or loss. Then repeat the same process for the ending balance column. Double-click it, open the formatting options if needed, and check Set as Total there as well. Once both of those are marked correctly, the chart becomes much easier to understand because it clearly shows where the sequence begins, how each change affects the running total, and where it finishes. At that point, Excel has created a waterfall chart that visually shows how each increase and decrease affects the overall total. And that's it. You now know how to make a waterfall chart in Microsoft Excel.